Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize your character in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, just pause the game, go to My Horizon tab, select Return Home, select Yes. So basically you have to go to your home to be able to change, or you can say customize your character outfits, and here's all the jazz. So select character, select the option customize character here, and once you select the customize character option, you'll able to see couple of tabs. Like by using these tabs, you can basically choose hairstyle, you can change the hair color. So let me choose something like this. Okay, just like that you'll able to change your hair color. You can have some prosthetics if you want. You can change amplifications. You can also get new clothing, like you can purchase some t-shirts for your player. So if you have enough money, you can purchase this, and you can also get some jackets. You can change the leggings just like this. Okay, we can also change the ankles. Then we can purchase some shoes for the player or for the character. So if you have money, you can simply purchase that. Let's say we purchase something like this, so we just need to buy that, and that way we'll able to basically purchase the shoes or purchase glasses, hats for your player. We can equip like this. You have a couple of cool classes here as well, so you have a lot of options. Whichever you like, you can simply equip that. And not only that, you'll able to also change the face of your character just like this. Okay, we choose this one, so just simply select that, and just like that you'll able to change pretty much everything, like from your skin tone, from your face of the player, from hairs to like pretty much everything is changeable from this option. So to save the changes, just back out, and that way the changes will be saved on the game automatically. And yeah, it is that easy to customize your character in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.